Despite having a history of almost 2 centuries long, India never appeared in a single edition of the FIFA World Cup. How did this happen? Let's find out. The story of Indian football began under the British rule. British soldiers introduced football in the mid-19th century for their recreation. Durand Cup and IFA Shield are the oldest competition of India, founded in 1888 and 1893 respectively. Kolkata FC became first official club in 1872. Mohun Bagan, the current oldest club in the Asia, established in 1889. Their first historical moment came in 1911 when they beat East Yorkshire Regiment in IFA Shield final and became first Indian club to achieve that landmark. Before the formation of All Indian Football Federation, Indian Football Association was governing only in the Bengal region. So, in effort to form a country-wide association, IFA held a meeting at Shimla with 5 other regional football associations, namely Army Sports Control Board, United Provinces, the Northwest Football Association, the Bihar Football Association, and Delhi. As a result, AIFF established in 1937 but took 11 years to get affiliation from FIFA. The 1948 London Olympics was India's first major international tournament where the barefooted Indian team lost 2-1 to France. Immediately after 1948 Olympics, FIFA imposed a rule of banning barefooted play. After 2 years, India qualified by default for the 1950 World Cup following the withdrawal of all their scheduled opponents, but AIFF decided against going to the World Cup. One reason came forward that the Indian team refused to play because they were not allowed to play barefooted was not entirely true. According to then Indian captain Sain Manna, it was invented to cover up. Another reason came forward that AIFF ranked Olympics above the FIFA World Cup. The period of 1951 to 1962 referred to as the golden era of Indian football. During this period, India dominated Asian football and won 2 Asian Games titles in 1951 and 1962, finished 4th in the 1956 Olympics, and also won several other competitions during this era. After 1962, performance of the Indian team declined sharply. In the 1966 Asian Games, India knocked out in the first round and finished bottom in the group in 1984 Asian Games. Moreover, the rise of cricket as India's primary sport and poor performance of the Indian football team decreased the popularity of football. In 1996, India's first National Football League formed. Before that, football was played only in the state leagues and colleges. The absence of proper league structure was the main reason for the current situation of Indian football. In addition to that, lack of television coverage, unprofessionalism of clubs, and poor condition of stadium are also responsible. In 2007, AIFF rebranded the National Football League into I-League with a promotion and relegation system. The winner of the league gets a spot in the AFC Champions League and runner-up gets a spot in the AFC Cup. Also, AIFF signed a broadcasting deal with G Sports. However, despite finding a new broadcaster, league did not gain any popularity. Also, problems like poor infrastructure and unprofessionalism of clubs continued. In 2010, AIFF signed a massive deal worth of 700 crore rupees with IMG Reliance. IMG Reliance got all the commercial rights, which includes media rights, sponsorship and advertising rights, franchisee rights, new league rights, and merchandising rights. In October 2014, AMG Reliance launched a franchisee-based league known as Indian Super League. The league had no promotion and relegation system. The league stage follows a double round-robin format with each club playing with others twice, once at their home stadium and once at their opponent stadium. The top 4 ranked teams progress to the playoffs. The playoffs are played in a 2-legged format. After both matches, the team leading on the aggregate moves on to the final. The final is held at a neutral venue and the winner will be crowned champions.